wonderful friends! Today, we're going to take on the challenge of guessing the most beloved cat memes in the world. These adorable cats are sure to bring you good luck if you watch this video. I'm really excited to kick off this challenge. If you're ready, let's get started. Round 1. Guess which cat meme this is. Rave. Round 2. Which cat meme is this? Cat meow performing Bloody Mary. Round 3. Whose adorable cry is this? Fantastic! That is Banana Cat. He's been quite popular lately. Round 4. Guess which cat meme this is? You are doing great! That's La 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 Meow! Keep up the good work! Round 5. Do you know this cat? It is Ice Cream Cat. If you're impressed by him, give him a like for this video. Round 6. Which cat would you choose to adopt? Banana Cat? Or Ice Cream Cat? It is a tough choice, but for me, I'd adopt both of them. What about you? these adorable cats today want you to hit the like button so they can appear more on our channel. Be generous with your likes. Round 12. Who is this cat? Cover. Round 13. Who is dancing? Not a cat but cat shark. Round 14. Guess which cats these are. It is the space cats. Round 15. Which cat is dancing?
Spooky, scary skeletons and shivers down your spine. Shrieking skulls will shock your soul.
It is the spooky scary cat. They are just too adorable.
Spooky, scary skeletons and shivers down your spine. Shrieking skulls will shock your soul.
Round 16. Who is this cat? Maxwell the cat. Round 17. Who do you think dances better? Anka? Spooky scary cat.
Spooky, scary skeletons and shivers down your spine. Shrieking skulls will shock your soul.
Leave a name in the comments below. Round 18. Which cat meme is this? Wednesday cat. Round 18. Which cat meme is this? Wednesday cat. Round 20. With that sound, what do you think it is? It is the Scatman cat. Round 21. Who do you think will be the winner? Dog meme or cat meme? Let me know your opinion in the comments below. I hope our cats make your day today. If you want to watch similar fun videos, don't forget to